What's up guys? February 7, 2026. Mag-progress tayo sa pull-ups natin, sa weighted pull-ups. 20 kg na. 6 reps. Try natin ng 6 reps. Bigat. Three, 4, 5.
You're not going to be any bigger from one workout. You're not going to be any leaner from one cardio session. Like any progression when it comes to changing your body's composition is going to take weeks, months, years even, depending on what you're really aiming for. But in terms of actually noticing any changes go by, you're not going to see it. It's not the nature of things. It has to add up and accrue over time before you start to notice anything serious. If you see a drip coming from the ceiling, 2 drops of water, who cares? If you spill that on the floor right now, it wouldn't matter. But if it kept dripping and kept dripping and kept dripping, holy crap, man, you got a freaking flood. So that's where it's kind of on you to hold yourself accountable, because if you don't consistently put it in and keep yourself in the green of like, I'm 0.01% more or whatever, and kind of pushing yourself towards making sure that whatever goals you're aiming for, you're actually putting in the work towards, then before you know it, you're going to be the opposite situation where every day you're getting 1% worse. That's damn nightmare. Right? That's the complete opposite of what we're all going to do.